Hey guys! I so was not prepared for that. Okay. So
Your sisters.
this is okay.
Sure.
This is my cousin, aka Joaquin's girlfriend. And well, what are we doing?
I'm making slime.
What kind of slime?
With ingredients. Any slime. Foamy slime.
Foamy.
Foamy. That's how I call it.
Okay. So we have each.
This one feels heavier.
I don't care. Okay. So we have our bowls, and she has a different bowl. Okay. And I have a spoon, and she has a different spoon. Oh. She got her spoon. So we have each a bottle of glue.
Mine is heavier.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold on. This is what I have to do to make sure they could see. Because I have no camera person. Okay.
You can't see me.
Right here.
Oh yes, they can, but I can't see what I'm doing.
Yeah. Okay. Ready?
Ready?
1,
Some
2,
more.
3.
I try to get every slime out. Everything out.
Because we paid it for it.
I paid half of it.
No, you didn't.
Because I used my $5.
You have a phone bee in your hair.
Ow!
It doesn't look like it's ASMR like, so.
Keep our glue out.
Okay. We'll be back once we have all the glue out.
We're back.
Okay, guys.
We're back.
Mommy, can you be quiet? We're doing something real quick. Fine.
Emily!
I'm sorry. Just slam it. I didn't mean to slam it. I'm sorry. Well, guys, we finished pouring the glue. Okay, so we have foamy. Oh, that's what it's called, foamy.
That's what I said. We're
Okay.
making foamy
We have
slime.
foamy slime. I'm gonna add it first. I mixed it.
But kill me with it. I'm keeping it. That's it. Emily!
Oh no, I was getting the top off. Okay. How come it comes out so smooth to you? I feel like I got too much.
Same.
So there we have. What if we added too much and then like it's not gonna make anything?
It is.
Okay. I think it is.
Emily, it's not making anything.
No. Stop. It's gonna make sense. They talk too much, you guys. Okay, so we gotta put music in the background of this one. Here is it. So far, it looks kind of like the icing of a cake, right?
I think I added too much.
Okay, this looks so nice. I'm gonna add my color now. I think I'm gonna do pink. I'm gonna add red because I'm gonna add a red, light red. Green.
Good green. How much color is it?
Yeah,
Like how?
it's green.
Does it come out good, I'm saying?
Yeah,
Like 1 out of 10, how?
like 10.
Please lie. I know how you lie.
It's red, but you know. You could also use this when you make it. Yeah,
Make what?
store. So guys, we're both doing pink. We're both doing fluffy slime. It's gonna be matching. Matchies. We're twins, guys. If you haven't noticed. That's not that bad. Is it?
I need to wash my hands.
Just
Go wash my hands.
We'll be back once we have everything done. Besides the slime done. Okay, so this is how ours looks. We're twinning. I feel like mine's darker though.
Nice.
Yeah, mine's darker.
Whatever.
This is how mine looks.
This one looks so freaking good. Is this borax, right?
Yeah, it's works.
Are you sure it's mixed? Looks
Yeah,
mixed.
I mixed it. I don't have nothing. Just mix it with a pencil.
Doesn't really matter, right?
No.
This is mine anyways.
Oh, why is it only facing me?
Okay, do I keep going? Do I want to stop right there?
Yeah, that's good. Okay, now just put it.
We need a lot.
You added a lot.
Well, we need a lot.
I'm only editing a little at a time.
It's working, Emily.
Yeah, that's why I didn't add so much.
Can I have the
I
red?
added a little at a time.
Can I have the red?
You are so... Oh my god.
It's gonna be hard to mix.
Yeah, because of when we need baking powder.
Pass me baking powder.
Baking powder.
Baking?
Yeah.
You never told me there was baking powder.
We have baking in my kitchen, but my mom doesn't know that I sometimes use it.
You use it?
No!
She used it for my house.
Yeah, we went to her house.
Emily, look how good this
What
looks.
did I just make?
I don't want to add foam beads.
What, foam beads?
Yeah. Do you have foam beads?
In my locker? You could bring it to school and you could add some.
But don't you have some in here?
Yeah, but you empty it.
It's in here.
I guess
You know, I just made at school.
Oh my god,
I
this
feel
is
like yours looks bigger.
No, it's just because it's like a flat container. I think it's the same size.
Oh my god,
Spoon just
Gisela!
broke.
Okay, what do I use now?
Your hand.
No.
You could... check if there's a spoon there. Oh my god.
You're lucky. And it
We'll
has,
check
like, a
back
couple
when
foam beads.
this slime is done. Oh, man. Bye. Bye.
Bye.